Hi, this is Christelle from Christelle's Culinary Corner. Welcome to another episode. Happy Mother's Day to everyone. This week we are going to be making some orange ginger salmon with my own sauce, and we're going to be serving that on top of raw vegetables. I have a cup of broccoli slaw, a cup of miniature carrots, 2 tablespoons of Thai peanut sauce, half a cucumber, half a red bell pepper, a quarter of a medium-sized red onion. We're going to be using my own orange ginger sauce, garlic salt, and olive oil, and 2 steaks of salmon. I am going to start by putting a little bit of olive oil into our pan. I am going to put a little bit of garlic salt on each steak. I am going to turn it around. And apply the garlic salt. And right away I'm going to toss it in the pan. I am going to repeat the process. I want to cook the side that has the skin first. And I will be cooking this on high temperature. I like to cook my salmon up until it's a little bit brown. I'm going to be turning the steak. And I'm gonna wait a few more minutes, and then I'm going to put the orange ginger sauce. Now that my salmon is about ready, I am going to glaze it with my own orange ginger sauce. Putting a generous portion. You can smell all the beautiful flavors of the fresh squeezed orange juice, the onions that are in the sauce. I'm going to let that cook for about 1 or 2 minutes, and I'm going to be prepping the raw vegetables. For the second part of the video, I am going to be working on the raw vegetable bowls. I'm going to be making 2 of them, and let's get started, everyone. I am going to be making julienne cuts on the cucumbers. I start right in the middle, then I cut it again at a quarter. Repeat the process. Now I'm ready for some julienne cuts. Because they're a little bit long, I'm gonna cut them halfway. I want to be able to have bite-sized vegetables. All right, we're all done with our raw cucumbers. I'm going to get a head start on the carrots. Same process, right in the center, and I have every half. Okay. I'm gonna repeat the same process of the julienne cuts with the red bell pepper. I'm gonna cut it right in the center. I'm gonna clean up a little bit. I'm gonna actually cut that part off because it's so much easier to do the julienne cuts on it. All right, here we go, YouTube. I'm actually also going to cut those right in the center. Make sure they're bite size. And these are all vegetables that I've chosen that I actually really enjoy. You can switch up the vegetables on there. I'm going to now cut the onions. I use 1/4 of a medium-sized red onion. The perks of the broccoli slaw is that it's already chopped. So I'm just going to be putting half of the portion on each plate. Now the fun part, I'm going to be seasoning the vegetables lightly. A little bit of salt on both. A little bit of cracked pepper. And my favorite part, some Thai peanut sauce to give this all the flavor it needs. All right, now we're gonna go check on our salmon. Thank you for watching this week. Please don't forget to hit the red subscribe button to get more healthy tips and tricks on staying healthy and motivated for the week. See you guys next week.